ni Joaquin at Ashley.
Noong time po kasi na yun, kuya, nag-uusap-usap po kami about sa parang bet. Sabi po ni Lala na parang ayaw niya daw po i-bet yung egg niya. Tapos sabi naman ni Joaquin, na-explain pa rin po niya kay Lala kung ano po yung magiging bet nga po na mangyari po sa kanila. Tapos si Lala po parang umaayaw na po siya. So sinabi ko po na she doesn't want to bet her eggs. Tapos po, pinatahimik niya po ako, kuya. Using his hand po sa face ko po, kuya. Siyempre po, nagulat po kami na ganun po yung naging way po ni Joaquin.
I'm sorry that I got annoyed when I got interrupted. That's where you prefer to do. So I hope you understand that I got annoyed. I'll apologize to her.
That's valid. Like, mainis ka kasi someone's talking while you're talking.
Yes.
That's okay. But, it's like a nice survey naman. With respect also. If you don't want to be disrespected, then give out the person respect also.
Hyper lang po kuya talaga si Joaquin at mas nangingibabaw po yung excitement niya every time. Pero minsan nga po, nawawala po talaga kuya sa lugar.
Si Joaquin agad namang nilapitan si Ashley.
Yo,
I'm sorry for stopping you in a rude way.
it's okay.
I'm remorseful for my action.
It's okay.
Good?
Sorry for interrupting you.
It's okay, I forgive you.
Forgive you too.
Maya-maya pa sa di kalayuan, si Joaquin binahagi kay Heath ang nangyari.
I know that I could have told her to stop talking in a better way, in a more polite way.
At least it's okay na. Respect.
Si Ashley nagbigay ng saloobin sa kaibigang si Princess.
Biglang narinig ko